So you want to know how to make money online? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, and more specifically, I'm going to show you a brand new method to this channel that's never been seen on this channel before on exactly how you can make money online with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. This is going to be one of the best videos you're ever going to see on this because my tutorials are very in-depth and I take you through step by step showing you exactly what you need to do with this particular method. And the best part about this method, guys, I know you guys love this one. Every single video you guys are asking me, yes, this is free to start and you don't need a website. So you don't need any money to start this particular method and you don't need a website to do this. So this is very good. I'm very excited for this one because you guys are always asking me that question. And it's very hard to find methods that are free and don't need a website, but this one, you can actually do that. So let's jump in and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this method, guys, to go out there and start a business online. Now, before we jump into this, if you guys want more videos on this every single week, I bring out some of the best tutorials online in the make money online industry, and I show you exactly how to make money every single week with my videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you get notified when my videos come out. I try to bring out the best videos possible so you can learn everything about making money from home and online. Now, I want you to watch this video all the way to the end because if you don't, you're going to miss out on important information. So make sure you stay and absorb all this information so you know exactly what to do so you can go out and do this method yourself. And just a disclaimer, results are not typical. I've been doing this for a long time. I know what works, and this is for educational purposes. So I'm teaching you so you can go and do this yourself. So make sure you watch this entire video so you learn everything so you have a better chance of getting results with this method. Now, the first step is simple. What we're going to be doing is using a website called clickbank.com, and all you want to do if you don't have a Clickbank account already is simply go to clickbank.com, go to the create account page and simply create an account. And once you've created an account, guys, all you want to do is log in and you'll be taken to a page like this, a very simple page. Then you want to go to the marketplace, which we're going to actually talk about in a second. But first of all, what we want to do is this is a 3-step process. So the first thing is we want to find the right product for this method. So there is a bit of a criteria for this particular product, and we'll talk about this as we get into the training. So the first step, once you sign up to Clickbank, or you might already have Clickbank, so sign into your account, is you simply want to click on the marketplace section. Now, I've handpicked a product for this tutorial, but it really just depends. Like, you might want to find another product, and this is just for an example only. But I want to show you something that's very critical that you are going to need for this method to work, and it really depends on the product. So if I go down to health and fitness, there's a product here called Leptotox or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce that. Leptotox. What we want to do is make sure it has an affiliate page. But also as well, is we want, so you go to the affiliate page here and you put in your details, right? And then once you've done that, it'll take you to the affiliate page, which is this one here. We want to make sure that it has what we call articles, because we're going to be using these. Now, don't worry, we're not going to be starting websites or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to use these articles in a different way. But you want to make sure it has articles in the affiliate resource. Otherwise, this particular method isn't going to work well. You're not going to be able to do it quicker anyway. And you'll see the method, what I'm talking about, in a second. So just find a product that has articles. It doesn't have to be this particular product, but I'm going to use this product as an example in this video. And as you can see, this is a health product, okay? This product is actually about how to stop food cravings. And we'll actually talk more about that later on in this video as well, because that's quite important to this method. So once you find this product, guys, and if you don't know how to use Clickbank and stuff, you just get an affiliate link. So you click promote and you generate a link and you use that link. People click on it. You make a commission via that, but you probably already know that because you're on this video about Clickbank, but it's general affiliate marketing. So the next step is what we want to do now is we find the right product. So the right product is just a product that has articles that you can use. The next step is very simple. We want to then create some content, but I found an awesome way where you can do it really, really quickly. So what we're going to be using is a program, and I'll show you how to do it for free, called Content Samurai. Now, I'll leave a link below. I don't know if it'll be an affiliate link or not, but it might be, so I might get a commission. But what this does is this can create content for you based around things that you give it. And I'll explain to you what that means in a second. So to get this for free, guys, just sign up for the free 7-day trial and you get 7 days for free and you can use the platform. And I've actually got a trial account here. So you can see that I'm doing this on a trial account. And then if you want to, if you find out that you make money with this and this works for you, then you can upgrade to the monthly plan if you like. Like I said, this is free to start, but you're always going to have to spend some money somewhere along the line when you're trying to make money online. So once you sign up to your free account, you'll be taken to a page like this. And what we can actually do is we can take the content from like these articles and we can actually use them to create videos, which is really, really cool. So let me kind of show you, I'll just show you how it works. It's really simple to use. So we're going to go, so you can do all sorts of stuff. So you can do like Instagram videos, you can do like ads, you can do sales videos. But the best thing is it actually will like do it. It's crazy. Like I'll show you. It actually does everything for you. It's really, really crazy, this platform, Content Samurai. But you can create sales videos and stuff and all sorts of stuff, right? And all you do is you just put the content in. So I'll actually show you a video that I did in a second. But first, I'll show you the process of how this actually works. And what I might do is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to video content. And I'm going to find something that kind of resembles maybe health. So what I'll do is I'll put, actually no, this is the text. So I'll put viral purple and I'll choose this viral purple one. You can choose all sorts of templates, like it'll just really depend on the style you want to choose. But you want to do something with food because this is what it's about. And then I'm going to go to use this template. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take out what I put in before. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to here. I'm actually going to take the article content. So for many of us, take the article content, and I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to go back to Content Samurai and add my script. And this is actually going to overlay everything over video, over images for us. And it's going to pick the right images. It does everything for us. It's crazy. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to just simply go create scenes. So I've put in the text. I mean, you don't have to find a product with an article. You can write your own. But I've just put in this text here. And it's best to kind of just split it up if you can, just to make it a little bit cleaner, because then the software will find it a lot easier to do. So I'm just going to split it up here. You probably want to split it up a little bit better, but that will do for now. And we're going to go create scenes. And it will actually create the scenes for us. So what it's doing is it's going out and it's putting the right words with the right images. And you'll see here that it's put all the words with the right images. I just got to blank this image out because it's animals. I don't know if I can have that on YouTube. But as you can see, it basically puts everything into the right place. And let me show you an example here that I did today.
First-hand experience of this allure. Sugar isn't just
see, it says sugar and it has an image of sugar. So it literally matches everything up. Kind of different. But see, create. But you can actually edit all of this. You can change the images if you like, and you can just see kind of what's going on, right? So you can change the image, you can change the text if you like, you can change whatever you want, or image, video. You can put your own video on, you can choose different videos. There's different layouts. There's styles that you can play with, and you can literally edit all of this yourself. So if I go to media, you can use clips or images. We're going to use clips, and you can add a video clip. So you can, upload your own, or they should actually have video clips that you can use, but maybe not. I think they do, maybe on the paid version. But anyway, this is what I've done. I've literally gone and created these slides, and we have 36 slides. So it'll be around about a 3-minute video. And this is literally all you need to do. Now, how did I get the voice over this? You can actually click on voice and you can choose voices for this. So we've got USA voices, United Kingdom and Australia. So if I go Anna and I play the sample.
Hi, my name is Anna and I would love to read the...
So they sound a little bit like robot-y, but
Hi, my name is
that's a little bit better.
I would love to read the script for your video.
But it's actually not that bad. And then you just go preview your video and it will do it. And then you can actually also record your own voice if you like. And you can do no video track, music only. Okay, so once you do that, just go to preview video. And then what it will do is you can preview it. So let's just do that real quick. Let me just kind of show you kind of, again, what we're doing just so you understand. So what we're doing is we're putting in the article from this. There's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a press release as well. And what this software does is it breaks everything up and it puts it over images that it thinks are related to those words in those sections. So you see here, it says, for many of us, there's a slightly or fresh glazed donut can feel like falling in love and coming home to a pack of unopened cookies. So it's used a image of cookies, okay? And see, it says here, if you're reading, and it's used an image of someone reading. It takes these keywords and it goes and finds the right images so you can get these awesome videos that you can use to promote Clickbank products. Then, as I mentioned, you can change the layouts, you can change the styles, and you can really do whatever you want. But you don't really need to do that if you're a beginner. Then you can add a voice over it. Once you've added a voice, you don't have to add a voice, but you really should. Once you've added a voice, you go preview your video. And it's going to take a while to just do everything. All right, so now it's previewed. You can actually add the music if you like. I just left it and it added it automatically for me. But you've got all this audio here that you can add. And you just click and it'll update the preview. So everything is literally here, guys. And then just go, you can manually adjust timing. Looks good. Or you can play it.
For many of us, the sight of a freshly glazed donut can feel like falling.
Just sounds so good. Like, it's such a great tool to go and create these videos. And then looks good. Continue. And you're literally going to go generate your video. And it's going to go and actually generate the video for you. The next step is we need to use this video to make money. Now, I'm just going to actually quit out of this because I've actually already created a video for this that we can go and use as an example. But simply, this is what you want to do, okay? And then once it's generated, you can simply, there'll be a button that says download, and you can download the video. So we've created the content. This content samurai is very easy to use. If you want any more in-depth tutorials, I'm sure there's more online, but it's extremely simple to understand. You simply choose a template, and you then go and put in the article, the script, and then you just let it do its thing. It'll create the scenes. You add a voice. You add some music, and then you preview it, and then you can download it. Very simple and straightforward to do. The next step, guys, is we need to actually go and get some traffic. So the traffic we're going to be using in this tutorial is completely free to use. However, it will take some time to build up. It's not just going to make you money overnight. It will take some time. But the best part about this traffic source, guys, is we can get traffic source from different avenues. We can get it from search, suggested videos, browse traffic, other features, channel pages, and even more features as well. This is YouTube traffic. I'm going to show you the best way to do this. I'm going to show you how to optimize it to get traffic. So make sure you stay because I'm going to show you stuff that you've never seen before. Now, the most important part of this, guys, is keywords. So I've kind of handpicked a few keywords from this based on what I saw in this product. So you kind of got to know what the product is about. So this product is essentially some sort of water hack that helps people stop cravings. So I've kind of come up with some ideas and some topics myself that we could go and put on YouTube. Now, if we actually go to YouTube, I put in how to stop food cravings to lose weight, and you'll see there's a lot of videos here. And I'm going to be real here. You're not going to rank for these keywords, especially when you're a new channel. However, you are going to get suggested views and browse traffic and stuff like that from all of these other bigger channels doing content on the same thing. Then as your channel gets more structure and kind of gets bigger and you get more subscribers and you do more of those videos, then you will start to rank for things. But you can also go out and rank for easy keywords. So like how to stop cravings, food cravings to lose weight. You could do something like in 2020 fast. And you've probably got a better chance of showing up for this particular keyword because it's a long tail keyword. So I'm going to show you how to upload it in a second. But here's some kind of keywords. So 5 secondhand water hacks that kill food cravings, how to kill food cravings in 2020, best way to stop food cravings fast in 2020, how to stop food cravings to lose weight. And what you want to be doing is you want to be going out, and let me just go to here and go to, if you click on this here, so you go start a YouTube channel and go to upload a video. I'm actually going to upload this video real quick that I created. So drag it into here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the title. I better make sure I don't post this, eh? So I'm going to make the title, how to stop food cravings fast in 2020. So this would be my keywords. and that's what I'm going to make the title. Then you want to go out and make a good description with your keywords in it. Just go and look at my descriptions now. In this video, you'll see it's a long description with keywords in it. So things like how to stop cravings, the best way to stop cravings in 2020, the fastest way to stop cravings. Do a long description, otherwise your video won't get any traffic. And in the description, you also want to have a link to the affiliate link. So the affiliate link is basically this link right here. Click promote and generate hop link, and you'll get a link that you can use to promote the product. Go and find link shortener, and you can actually shorten the link so it looks a little bit cleaner like this. There's free link shorteners online, just go and Google them. And then what you want to do is you want to post that link in the description of that video, so somewhere at the top, and then have a bunch of text below, like a your keywords and a description of the video. And then you can actually go down here and you can pick your thumbnails, and all the thumbnails are here that you can use. And then you can also put in some tags. So you want to go to more options and you want to put in tags, things like how to lose weight and stop food cravings, how to stop food cravings and lose weight, how to stop food cravings in 2020. And you want to actually do that. Now, what I recommend you do is use this. If you use this, this is a free extension called vidIQ. And it will actually give you keyword ideas when you search in YouTube the keyword. So if I go to how to stop food cravings and lose weight, I've got vidIQ turned on, and these are some tags that I could use. Sugar cravings. So then you could do how to stop sugar cravings, how to lose weight, how to stop cravings. And you can actually upgrade to get more keywords, but you don't need to do that. But depending on the keyword, it will give you a lot of tags that you can use. And you go and take these. So if I go to here, and I go to my tags, I'll put in how to stop food cravings, how to stop sugar cravings. And then that's another video you can do, how to stop. So you could literally do another video, how to stop sugar cravings in 2020. So what we've gone and done is we've gone and found, let me just find it here. We've gone and found a product that has an article that we can use. We've gone and created some content that we can use, so video content. And then we went out and found a traffic source that's completely free. You can literally upload as many videos as you want. You don't need to pay on YouTube. Keep uploading videos. Just upload daily and just do these videos do not take long to do. Upload daily and then go and drop your affiliate link in the description. But you need to make sure that you give it time. You're not just going to be able to post one video and make money. You have to build it up and keep going and keep going. Now, here's an example of one that I found. I've actually been in this niche before where someone did this. The exact same thing. And what they use is they actually use the sales one. So they used, let me just find it. They use this template here, sales video. They use one of these templates here, as you can see. And they have the link in the description, and it's got over 20,000 views. So these guys have made some money. Now, if you guys want to learn more about this stuff, I actually have a full training that will take you through step by step how to start your own affiliate marketing Clickbank business. It has insane 5-star reviews. It's a very, very good training. In fact, let me just show you inside. So we take you through everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and even the Clickbank module alone is massive. We have over 4 pages of content showing you exactly how to start your own Clickbank business. There'll be a link in the description. Go and click that right now, and it will take you through to the page where you can check out all the information. However, if you want some free training on how to make more money online, I'll leave some videos up on the screen. You can click those right now, and it takes you through step by step how to make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you check them out. My tutorials are crazy. I take you through all the information you need to figure out how to make money online. And I'll see you in the video.